Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Jett Cloud Podcast. Monday, January the 18th, a very peaceful day. Many of us took a little time out to just unwind and reflect on the wishes and the desires of Dr. Martin Luther King. I tell you, it's the old videos for me. They depict an average man with a larger than life heart. He wanted us all to be in unity. He never set out to make black people above everyone. That was never his goal. However, he did set out to convince the few white people that they also are not above everyone. Now, you can be above others knowledgeably. I mean, most of us just don't know what a brain surgeon knows. We're just not that smart. You can be above someone financially, you can be above someone physically, and win every track and field race that you enter. So you get rewarded the great perks of life. But at the end of the day, you guys are still on an equal plane. No one is above anyone else in humanity. I'm sorry. I know lots of us don't like what's different from us. And some of us hate to be around what's different. But whatever transpired that and whatever happened in the past, it's already happened, people. And now we're all here together, all races and nationalities. And it would be life changing if we could all just set our differences aside and carry on with our lives. Or face the fact that we just don't like what's different and decide to just keep our distance and carry on with our lives in a peaceful manner instead of angrily hurting ourselves as we try to destroy what's different. It's just difference, that's all. It's not a crime nor a sin. It's just differences. Obviously, right now, we are in some turbulence like times, and we all need to be investing. Today, I'll be discussing a way to invest $1,000. Either you invest it and let it grow, or you sit and watch it go as you penny pinch it away. Now, you can do short term investments or long term investments. Your choice, but we need to invest. There are several different strategies and different ways to analyze the market. And one simple way is by observation. Observe the market. In the stock market, you want to try to find companies that their current evaluation is lower than it should be or is low at the moment, but judging by today's current state of economy, should get higher with time. Now, day traders are focused on short term investments. These guys sit in front of the monitor all day long, moving very fast and catching their niche. Many of us don't have that type of time, and most people in the market think more long term by observing stock that is either now on the rise or should be on the rise, maybe in a few months or in a few years or so. And they purchase that stock, and that is their long term investment. They are not just looking for a quick turnaround. A good strategy is to team up with someone that is also interested in investing. And you two, or you three, give each other your analysis and bounce ideas off of each other because we each see and hear different things. So, coming together as a team to discuss ways to grow your money is a perfect strategy. My little group and I just today discussed how Netflix plans to release a new movie every single week in 2021. So That is a good stock for me to put on my things to do list. There are so many different companies and great products and services. It's hard to decide who to or what to invest in. So don't just jump on anything that you hear is good. Either you or one of your teammates should observe and do some research to make sure the company that you are about to invest in has a good product, something that you agree with, or something that you would buy yourself. This is a more active approach. Every time you buy a share of anything, you are buying a small piece of that company. Let's say, for example, Chick-fil-A decided they wanted to sell 5% of their company. Well, that 5% could equal 1 or 200 million stock shares. And if you buy some of those stock shares, you will now own a small piece of Chick-fil-A. And just like Chick-fil-A did not open the business and make some money and then just turn right around and sell it, neither should you. They have kept it for long term and the profit just keeps growing. Though there are times when people do cook, so business may be a little slow or go down, but if the product is good, it'll pick back up. So you don't want to just get in and buy and sell right away. When it's good, let it grow to great. And by investing long term, you also save on your taxes because, per the tax law, any stock that you have for exactly 1 year and 1 day or longer, you will pay much lower taxes on it. So, when you get $1,000 in your hand, I want you to stop and think of a better way to spend it. You can spend it on a quick weekend getaway, or you can invest it and let it grow and work on owning your own space to rent out to others for quick weekend getaways. And once again, make sure you press that subscribe button on the YouTube channel, guys, if you find any interest in this. And follow me on Instagram, Jett_Cloud. And feel free to send me any questions. Jett Cloud Podcast at gmail.com. I hope you all have a wonderful evening, and I look forward to next Monday's podcast. Until then, stay invested. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Jett Cloud Podcast. Monday.